this. Pants a dress, hate fags, the answer's yes. Homophobic? Nah, you just heterophobic. Staring in my jeans, watching my genitals bulging. That's my motherfucking balls, you better let go of them. They belong in my scrotum, you'll never get hold of them. Hey, it's me, Versace. Whoops, somebody shot me, and I was just checking the mail. Get it? Checking the mail? How many records you expecting to sell after your second LP sends you directly to jail? Come on, relax, guy. I like amen, right, Ken? Give me an amen. Amen. Please, Lord, this boy needs Jesus. Heal his child, help us destroy these demons. Oh, and please send me a brand new car and a prostitute while my wife's sick in the hospital. Preacher, preacher, 5th grade teacher. You can't reach me, my mom can't neither. You can't teach me a goddamn thing, cause I watch TV and Comcast cable, and you ain't able to stop these thoughts. You can't stop me from topping these charts, and you can't stop me from dropping each March with a brand new CD for these fucking retards. And the thing, it's just little old me, Mr. Don't Give a Fuck, still won't please. I'm a criminal. Every time I write a rhyme, these people think it's a crime to tell them what's on my mind. I guess I'm a criminal. I don't gotta say a word, I just split in the bird and keep going. I don't take shit from no one, I'm a criminal. Every time I write a rhyme, these people think it's a crime to tell them what's on my mind. I guess I'm a criminal. I don't gotta say a word, I just split in the bird and keep going. I don't take shit from no one. The mother did drugs, hard liquor, cigarettes, and speed. The baby came out disfigured, ligaments indeed. It was a seed who would grow up just as crazy as she. Don't dare make fun of that baby, cause that baby was me. I'm a criminal, an animal caged to turn crazed. But how the fuck you supposed to grow up when you weren't raised? So as I got older and I got a lot taller, my dick shrunk smaller but my balls got larger. I drank more liquor to fuck you up quicker than you'd wanna fuck me up for saying the word. My morals went when the president got oral sex in his Oval Office on top of his desk off of his own employee. Now don't ignore me, you won't avoid me, you can't miss me. I'm white, blonde hair and my nose is pointy. I'm the bad guy who makes fun of people that die in plane crashes and laughs as long as it ain't happening to him. Slim Shady, I'm as crazy as him and Kim combined. The maniac's in place of the doctor, cause Dre couldn't make it today. He's a little under the weather, so I'm taking his place. Oh, that's Dre with an AK to his face. Don't make me kill him too and spray his brains all over the place. I told you, Dre, you should've kept that thing put away. I guess that'll teach you not to let me play with it, eh? Criminal!
That motherfucker, so take a step back, in a breath in, let it out now. Put your chin up, you can do it, Tiger. You a man now. Living your dream, it's time to do the best you can now. We break ourselves down and build ourselves up for disappointment. How fragile we are, so fragile we are. We just don't show it. We'll shake up this town and shoot down the stars for our enjoyment. So sexy we are, so sexy we are. We just don't know it. This is what you wanted, right? How many nights were spent pouring out your guts, dummy? How many punishments endured for fucking up in school? How many teachers proved wrong by writing songs instead? My point exactly. But you knew you had a spark, didn't you? Something conducive to the dreams your pop's genes lent you. Stay focused when nothing seemed to make sense, and still approach it with that Cassius Clay confidence. Sometimes you're stubborn as shit, that's the McCoy in you. You learn to be a man without losing the boy in you. So take a step back and a breath in, let it out now. Put your